Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And yes, I will be reacting to the TXT 2021 Mama performance dance practice, not the performance video, because I've seen like the news go around that Mama specifically mistreated Tomorrow by Together. I think from what I have read, because I wanted to react to the performance, but what I have read is that the specific dance performance, like their own performance, the music was off or the beat was off. Something happened with the beat, but they performed. But yes, that was like a mistreatment that was done to them. Not just with the beat. What I have read is that in terms of the camera work also, the entire, like, the beauty of the dance didn't actually come out, the beauty of that performance. So apparently Tomorrow by Together immediately, like I think after the Mama, correct me if I'm wrong, Moaz, the very next day when Mama happened, they released the dance practice video so that they can show that how exactly the performance basically looks. So this is the information that I have read. Wherever there are missing links, you let me know in the comments. So this is not even 2 minutes long, so that's why I wanted to just check it out quickly. I'm not gonna like react to the Mama performance. I'll watch it on my own, but I definitely wanted to shoot my reaction for the dance practice video. So let's watch this. It's really sad. When I read that, and there are a lot of videos also coming out, but I didn't watch them because I really did not want any spoilers or anything. But yes, apparently this is being talked about. The mistreatment is being talked about. So that's, and anyway, I have, at least in my 1.5 years of listening to K-pop, I feel that not many people like Mama, like the Mnet. Basically, people don't really like Mnet as well as Dispatch. Basically, these two things people hate on for sure. That's what I know. Anyway, let's watch this. This dude's stage presence is on another level. Look at the synchronicity. So this was supposed to be the camera work. Amazing. Whoa, that was nice. Whoa! You're kidding me, right? Whoa! I love this part, this one. When he flicks the paper and then that entire thing over there. Wait. This part. Oh! Look at the synchronicity. They just don't miss a beat. Whoa! Tomorrow by Together like has become one of my favorite groups this year. Really. They have literally risen on top of my priority list and my favorites. Really, from 4th Gen. They really nailed this year. I loved it. And imagine if in this performance, if the beat is off, and what I have read, that they still like did it properly. Like they were not out of sync. The beat and the choreography was out of sync, but their entire like their synchronicity in terms of like them being a group with the backup dancers, that was actually perfectly done. So I'll see the Mama performance also on my own, and then I'll be able to compare it. But here, not even like they are out of beat for even 0.000001 second. That's how amazing and on point and perfect this is. And just looking at the choreography, because it's a very fast song. If you slow it down, if you just slow this entire thing down, and if you try to break down the steps, they are not very complicated. Like, it's just the pop and lock. Here in this kind of music, which is so freaking fast, you have to be on the beat. Like, you can't miss a beat, otherwise it's going to look so bad. And plus, it's not just 5 of them dancing, it's with the entire crew. It's with the entire crew. So it's like hours and hours and hours and hours of practice that it would have taken for them to perfect this. So I'm guessing that this is how the camera work was supposed to happen. That Mama camera people and camera crew should have done this kind of camera work, what they have shown here. And if I just see Mama's video, we'll see if the camera work is different or not. So we'll see. But yes, that's it for this reaction now. I'm really happy I watched this. I'm really happy I watched the dance practice video, because I honestly wanted to watch the performance. But then I read all of these articles started coming out, and I saw so many videos that MOAs are making regarding this. So I thought, okay, let me just watch the dance practice first, and I'll watch the performance on my own so I can compare it. So yes, that was it, guys. MOAs, that was the reaction. I loved it. Just the hard work. It's amazing. Well done, Tomorrow by Together. I still feel a lot of people are sleeping on this group. I still feel that, and they shouldn't. This is exactly how I feel for 80s also. Just talking about 4th Gen. So specifically, I feel that people really need to, like, people who should notice 2 groups in 4th Gen are 80s boy group, 80s and Tomorrow by Together. In fact, even Vannas, I would say Vannas is criminally underrated. So yeah, that was the reaction, guys. I will end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I will see you soon on my next one. Bye. You are the colors of my